They say Clickworker is an easy way to make money online. No skills, just simple tasks and fast PayPal payouts. So I gave it a real world test for exactly 2 hours to see if it's actually worth your time or just another hustle fantasy. My name is Willie Talks Finance. In this video, I'll show you how much I earn, how long the task took, and whether Clickworker is even worth logging into. I am going to give you an honest and legit full review of this app. First of all, what is Clickworker? Clickworker is a microtask platform. You get paid to complete small online jobs, things like categorizing products, transcribing short clips, or writing simple descriptions. You work from anywhere, there's no upfront fee, and you get paid in real money, usually through PayPal, but there's also Payoneer or e-wallet. As you can see, it's AI training data. Companies reach out to Clickworker wanting to test out their AI training and wanting more data and more testing, and you are there to earn the money and you are essentially the tester for them. I'm gonna leave a link in the description, but once you go on the website, you're gonna click on earn money as a Clickworker. But before you jump into it, the signing process was pretty easy. As you can see, you can get the mobile version or the desktop version. I recommend that you do download the mobile version because nowadays everybody's on mobile and less people are on desktop, and you get more tests coming from mobile than desktop. I entered my email, confirmed my account, filled in some basic information, but to unlock better tasks, I had to complete a few assessments, mostly grammar and language tests. It took me about 25 to 30 minutes to get the full access. Once that was done, tasks started showing up, but not all at once, especially not the UHRS ones. Those are where the real money is at. Those tasks are more like AI, and those tasks pay better. As you can see, there's a FAQ. You can, if you have more questions or you have a support, they do have good support and you can reach to them. Then I've reached into my dashboard, tasks that I've tried in my assessments, in my job history. You can check in the job history. A lot of them is tutorials, so those only pay a cent, but like Canadian renter preferences, this one had $1 payout, and each of them have a work item. So if you have ever any issues with it, you can reach out to the support with their work item number and they will help you out. They're very, like this one, I was rejected because I did not follow the instructions correctly, and they do give you feedback, which is very helpful. They don't just reject your claim, and they guide you through even the filming process. It was a video that I filmed myself in different positions, tried to imitate, but they rejected because I filmed on the left side, but it had to be on the right side. So you see, you do have to follow their instructions and be very diligent and do it properly. I do recommend that if you do have a mic or a good camera, it's very important, and be in an environment where it's not too noisy so you give out quality. You know, you are professional, so act like a professional. They are paying you, and they pay quite well for those tasks where you have to record yourself a video. I think that one that I will be doing later was about 4 or 5 USD, and it was a short clip, maybe a minute long max. A lot of microtasks were quick but low paying, such as surveys that can take quite long, but they don't pay very much. And I didn't unlock my UHRS in my first session. That's where the big money is supposed to be. After working 2 hours as across all available tasks, I only made about $4.37. Not amazing, but it's better than nothing. It's money that I would have wasted on whatever. And the pros and cons of this website that I believe it is the pros: it's no fees, no scammy setup, pays real cash through PayPal, decent if you have spare time. You can do it in the bus, in the metro. You can do small surveys and you can make some decent amount of money. And the cons: it's low hourly rate. It's extra bonus time. You can't look at it at an hourly rate. You'll make below minimum wage. Sometimes maybe you can make more with a higher paying task. So it comes gradually and with time. Tasks disappear fast. So the higher paying tasks, you gotta be quick and have your notifications on. That's why it's so important to have both the computer and the phone. That's why I recommend multiple gig apps and like user testing or test.io. Those are websites that I have reviewed on my channel. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss out new opportunities. My final verdict: would I recommend Clickworker after just 2 hours? Actually, yeah, if you're realistic. You won't make a full time income, especially right away, but if you treat it like a background income where you only make like 20, 30, $50 per month and you just do from time to time, see it on your left, you can go on payment details, add a payment method. You can do Payoneer or Clickworker, eWorker. You fill in your information and they will pay you out. Payoneer has a payout fee. The Clickworker e-wallet doesn't have a payout fee, so that's be mindful of that. And I believe in other parts of the countries, um, it is available through PayPal. Also, next I'm going to be testing Apen, another platform that claims to be being better. That review is coming soon, so make sure you are subscribed to not miss it. If this saved you time, hit the like and tell me in the comments, do you want me to go deeper in depth for this website? Or what is your experience with this website? Want more side hustles review? I've got a playlist linked right here. Thank you very much. Have a great day.